Cactus in the Cabin quilt continues to be one of our customers' favorite projects, and we've done this now in a variety of fabrics, but this time it's blue and it's just beautiful. We all know about laundry basket quilts. Edita Sitar designs for Andover Fabrics, and her fabrics are just some of the most classic, timeless, beautiful fabrics I've ever seen. And here is this in blue. Blue continues to trend. Very popular color. Again, perpetually popular. This quilt is actually beginner friendly. So if you're watching this and you're like, oh, that's beyond me. No, it's not. And here's why. Let me show you the block here. This is a log cabin block. The magic is in the log cabin trim tool too, and I filmed that video. The concept is that we start with our center, we add the logs, and they're oversized, and we use our tool to trim up, and that's a round. We do it again with more logs and trim up again, and we do it with a final round and trim up for the final time. And it works beautifully with a spinning mat. So I love that tools can take even a beginner who's like uncertain, maybe your points aren't coming together perfect, and make you look like a pro. The other tool that is very important is this part right here is actually more complicated than it seems, trying to do that natively on your own. But there's a tool called the kitty cornered, and it makes this block, again, the same idea. It takes what is historically a challenging block to make and make it completely beginner friendly. So the key here are those tools for sure. There's other notions on the table, but these are the ones. In fact, this quilt here is being offered as a reserve. And what that means is we have enough fabric in the building to make this incredible quilt. It's huge. So you can see just how beautiful it is. And then once we get all the fabric in, we get very busy cutting and folding everything, preparing your kit. That's when we bill you for the difference and head that your way. You're just making a $10 deposit, and that's my favorite thing to do. And you don't have to worry anymore. One of the things I love about Andover Fabrics is with Edita Sitar's collections, they almost always make a gorgeous 108-inch backing. You know what that means? No piecing. This is one big, beautiful piece of fabric. Look at how incredible that is. So that's your backing option. You can reserve that as well. That to me is that's a no-brainer, right? It's pretty rare to be able to have a 108-inch coordinating backing where it's just one big, beautiful, quality piece of fabric on the back. Whenever we're doing patchwork, there's other notions that are important for me. It's always been the seam guide. Patchwork pins, good thread, a fresh blade, and the rotary cutter for sure. That's a minimum. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website if you haven't yet discovered just how fun and actually easy it is, how satisfying it is to make a quilt of this size in record time and with amazing precision because of the tools. Now is the time. Head to the website right now to reserve your Cactus in the Cabin in the special delivery fabrics. And while you're there, be sure to reserve your backing and the two specialty tools. Again, that's the log cabin trim tool 2, the kitty corner, and while you're there, you might as well grab any other notions you might need.